everyone! Alright, it is the countdown to Christmas. We are almost there. And to celebrate, I've got some Christmas puzzles coming up. You guys voted. This was the one with the most votes. So, here we are today, ready to crack this bad boy open for you guys. Who's excited? Me! Oh, I love Christmas, and puppies are even better. Let's get into it. Hey everyone! Alright, Merry Almost Christmas! We are in the countdown to Christmas, and I have some very exciting Christmassy themed puzzles for you guys coming up this week. So, time to get into the snowy, Christmassy, wintry wonderland. You guys voted. I gave you the choice between cats or dogs, or your graphics or Cobble Hill if you prefer. And this guy was the winner to start off with. This one had the most votes across Instagram, the YouTube Shorts, all that good stuff. So today I will put it together for you guys. And I don't know if you can see based on the camera angle. I'll do one with a close-up cam a little bit later, but I kind of decorated a little bit for Christmas in the office. It's super cute. There's a Christmas display in the store too, but the dollar store got way too much of my money putting that thing together. Dangerous place, that. Yeah, so if you're looking to save money this holiday season, one, puzzle stores are a dangerous place. They're scary. And two, dollar stores. Holy crap, you go in thinking you're going to buy one Christmas decoration and you come out with one cart full of Christmas decorations. Still one, right? Does anyone else have that problem? Or is it just me? I don't feel like it's just me, but you know, if you do have that problem, you're not alone. We'll have to have a Christmas decorations anonymous meeting or something in the new year. And that should be the new resolution, no more decorations for, you know, like the next million holidays there are throughout the year. If you don't celebrate, still, happy holidays, merry whatever, you know, all the different kinds of celebrations and gatherings and all that good stuff that come up in these next few weeks. Hopefully, regardless of if it's for Christmas or not, you get to spend some time with some friends or some loved ones, because that's really what it's all about, right? All right, today, for those Christmas fanatics, I have a Santa with some very cute little puppies that y'all were very excited to see. I can't wait. I personally really love this puzzle. I really love the little puppies. And for those of you who like cats, they are not completely left out of this puzzle. There is one cute little kitty sitting on the chair there, just chilling out. Does come with a poster. It's Cobble Hill, so we know it's going to be good quality. All that good stuff. Let's get into it, and let's get Christmassy! Woo! See my cute little snowflakes. I thought they would be super cute there, because why not, right? I also kind of wanted room on the wall. A lot of Christmas stuff. Well, I guess you can't see it if I do that, so I'll do that. Oof. Oof. Some pieces still stuck together from the last time I did this. Play with all the pieces, as I did in the little short that I posted for this. I love when the pieces come out of the box and you feel the start of a new project. It's almost more satisfying than the last piece. No. No, nothing beats the last piece. Alrighty everyone, here we are with the close-up cam. I've got the nice fire pretty much done. I've got quite a bit of the carpet going, one of the little dogs, two of the little dogs. I'm working a little bit on Santa, getting some of the outlines of some of the other things done. If you don't remember, this is what the puzzle's gonna look like when it's finished. Yeah, it's coming together quite nicely. I don't think I mentioned at the start of this that this is one of those painting texture type puzzles, so it's definitely one of the more challenging ones, but I do really like it. I like it for the Christmas theme. Also, I'm really curious, what is everyone's favorite part about Christmas? Like, what is my favorite part? Honestly, the whole better to give than to receive thing, I really like that. I always have. Because it's a lot of fun to shop for other people. It is. It sucks a little when you're broke, but yeah. I didn't realize. Might as well do another close-up cam, I guess. Get a little bit more. Hey everybody! Welcome back again. Just thought I'd show you some updated progress. I got most of the puppies together, a little bit more of the fireplace. That was pretty cute. He's digging into Santa's hat. There must be treats in there. So cute. I love that they have all their little toys, too. And then there's the milk and cookies on the table for Santa. Arguably one of the best parts of Christmas is the delicious cookies. You know, sweet tooth. Oh, yeah, and the hot cocoa, which my version of hot cocoa I'm sure Casey would say is wrong, as he does with most of my types of food. Alrighty. There you go.
How do you do your hot cocoa? How do you do your hot hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate with, that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, marshmallows.
Ew.
Yeah.
Marshmallows are gross. No marshmallows.
I thought you meant like you made it with some other...
No. I just make the hot chocolate and no marshmallows. Marshmallows are gross.
Whipped cream?
Ew. In
Yeah,
hot chocolate?
Yeah, on top.
Why?
Why not?
Why would you? That's for food.
Whipped cream and then...
Food.
Crushed up candy cane bits on top?
Nope, I eat my candy canes whole.
You were missing out on...
I've always liked my hot chocolate. Well, I haven't had hot chocolate in a long time, but still. All done, everybody. Woohoo! Alright, who's feeling Christmassy now? Now that we've got a full Christmas puzzle here. Woo! Oh, I can't wait to do even more for you guys. I love Christmas. It's one of my favorite holidays. Halloween will always be my favorite. Nothing can ever change that. But Christmas is pretty freaking fantastic, too. And who can argue with puppies? And, of course, a kitty for you kitty lovers. Alrighty. Let's see it up close. Ooh. Whee! Super pretty. The full scene. It's not as reflective now that it's finished, which is nice. All the puppies playing by the warm fire with Santa. You got the kitty chilling out on his chair, milking cookies. All the puppies. Fun fact, this piece right here, for the longest time I was staring at it and I'm like, this just seems so out of place. It doesn't seem like it belongs in the areas that I've got left. I'd totally forgotten that I had this area down here to work with still. Has that ever happened to you guys? Like, it's so strange how the image presents itself all of a sudden sometimes when you're not expecting it. And you just lose track of your pieces, especially when you got them all over the place, like the way I work. Think I got it all? Alright. Yeah, it's so strange how sometimes when you're working on a puzzle, you know what you're building, you know what it looks like, but the image hasn't really presented itself, if you know what I mean, until you get enough done or until it's all done. And then all of a sudden, I have that moment a lot where I kind of sit back from the puzzle and it's like, oh yeah, that's what I was building. Like, it just didn't seem like it at the time. Strange phenomena. There's strange things, the way it... I wish science was advanced enough that we could share what was in our heads and be like, there you go. You can now see what I saw. You know how I'm thinking. Now you understand. My mind would probably make a lot more sense to a lot of people if we could do that. Until now, you're stuck with my random ramblings of attempting to make sense of my own mind. Good luck with that project, right? He tried, he didn't, he failed. What did you guys think? And are you looking forward to more Christmas videos? Because there will be some. I'm so excited. I have quite a few Christmassy puzzles, and then I've got a ton of winter puzzles to share with you guys. So many. You are going to feel the chill in those videos. But for today, I feel in the Christmas spirit. I think I need to go get myself some milk and cookies after this. Well, maybe not milk. Milk is disgusting. But cookies. Cookies for sure. And maybe hot cocoa made the right way. Not the fancy dancy. Like, maybe if I went to a restaurant and paid for it, I could get that kind of thing. But I am not the person to make fancy dancy hot cocoa.
Can you make hot chocolate?
Yeah.
Do you know how whipped cream works?
I'm not great at it. I tend to make a mess.
And then if you put a candy cane inside of a Ziploc bag and smash it up.
That seems really mean.
You get little pieces and you sprinkle it on top. And you got a nice fancy...
That's hard. It's a lot easier to just pour the hot chocolate and drink it. You know me. The amount of effort I'm willing to put into food. That extends to drinks too. Alright, you guys. Have a good night. Thank you for watching. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.